Alright, so I got a recipe from the internet on how to make horchata. And I did 3 times or 4 times the recipe, I don't remember it right now. But it was about 2 cups of water for each cup of rice, more or less. And I let it soak overnight in this thing. Then I poured it in the blender and blended it up with 2 or 3 sticks of cinnamon for each one of these pitchers. And I don't really have a strainer, a mesh strainer, so I'm going to use this. It's pretty fine. So I should get most of the rice and thick cinnamon stick pieces out. And then I'm going to add the sugar and the milk and ground cinnamon. And we'll see how it tastes. Alright, so we got to strain it. This is the best way I know how. See if it collects stuff. It's actually working pretty well. I see pieces of cinnamon stick in there. Here's the thick stuff. Here's the rice sludge. Ah! It's gonna overpower my strainer. Alright, well, that might just do it. I'll let it drip there for a little bit. But see? That's gonna be turned into horchata. Just have to add the milk and sugar and all that other good stuff. 1 cup of milk. Probably do 2 cups of milk actually. So we need half a teaspoon of vanilla, but I'm doubling it, so we're going to do a full teaspoon. I'll do the other one up here, it's much easier. Oops, a little extra. Okay, I need half a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I'm doubling it, so 1 full teaspoon. And I want to do it down here, so I'll do it up here. Ah! It's totally not the way to do it, but whatever. I'm a professional. Okay, there we go. And then 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, now I take the mixture, which is this stuff right here, and I'm going to pour it in here. I don't know how many cups I'm pouring in there though, because I'm not measuring it. But this is the rice and cinnamon and water. It's been sitting overnight. Straining it one last strain. Supposed to be 10 cups worth. Two cups to a pint, 4 cups to a quart, 8 cups. So that's 8 cups. So we did 8 cups, we got 2 more cups to go. You see all that sludge? That's rice and cinnamon. There we go. That's rice and cinnamon left over. Put that back in the pitcher. So we got 2 more cups. We're gonna get it from another pitcher. That's what it looks like before I shake it up. Well, I'm gonna shake it up and it's gonna be yummy. Alright, I've mixed up the horchata that's over in here. I'm gonna pour it in right here. Here's the moment of truth. Biggest thing with horchata is making it sit for 4 hours. It's crazy. Let's see how it tastes. Yummy.